Dorodango is a Japanese art form in which earth and water are molded to create a delicate shiny sphere resembling a billiard ball. The phrase Dorodango is derived from the Japanese words Doro and Dango, making the basic Dorodango is a traditional pastime for schoolchildren. More recently, the process has been refined into the art of the Hikaru Dorodango, which has a glossy surface. Several different techniques can be used. Across all methods, a core of the ball is made of basic mud, which has been carefully shaped by hand to be as round as possible. This core is left to dry and then methodically and carefully dusted with finely sifted soil to create a crust several millimeters thick around the core. This step may be repeated several times with finer and finer grains of dirt in order to create a smooth and shiny surface. A cloth then may be used to gently polish the surface. The Dorodango, once completed, may look like a polished stone sphere, but it is still very fragile. The process requires several hours and careful focus so as not to break the ball. In the Discovery Channel series Mythbusters episode End with a Bang, which first aired on November 12, 2008, hosts Adam Savage and Jamie Hyneman investigated the truth behind everyday sayings. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.